My name is Dr. Muthoni Masinde. I work at the Central University of Technology here in Free State. Currently I work as a senior lecturer as well as the head of IT department. I got my PhD in 2012 from the University of Cape Town in computer science. During that time I passionately developed a solution that can predict droughts. The uniqueness of this solution is that we use rich computer science technologies such as artificial intelligence, wireless sensor networks, and mobile phones in combination with indigenous knowledge to predict drought in an accurate manner, specifically for Africa. With the kind of solution I've developed, it's possible to predict drought as accurate as 98%. And since it incorporates the knowledge of our people, they identify with it. Especially if you look at most small-scale farmers, the people in charge of the farms are actually women.
Nini ngina wa Muthoni Masinde, aciariritwe itura ria Rugogwe. Muthoni akurite na thina muno ya mai, kuthi gutaba mai muvuro wa Uya na inya. Mai makathiraga muvuro makathi gucaria manji kuraca muno kundu magendaga inya igakua makenduka matari mai makararaga matarite nundu wa mathina ma mai kwina thina muno guku. Uyu ni muvuro wa Uya uria Muthoni matabaga manji mekurukaga na muvuro magicaragia varia vari kamuthanga manginja mai macenge nundu mathiga nimo mengi muvuro uyu. Ninirakena muno nundu wa murandi uciambiriritie wa gutethia mumbere wa tene aina thina muno wa mai wana wa kurima. Murandi ucio no gutethia mumbere wa riu akorwe ari na umenyo wa kuvaragiriria mbura tene nundu wa urathi wa mbura kuvaririria riria ikura akavandaga tene na niguo akande kugwata maciaro mega ma urimi.
My name is Alpita Njiro Ngoshi. I'm currently the project manager of the project ITIKI, which stands for Information Technology and Indigenous Knowledge with Intelligence. ITIKI was a wooden bridge used by our community to cross rivers. But this ITIKI is now a bridge to connect the indigenous knowledge and the scientific. We base our indicators on the following. 1. Human behavior. 2. Animals. 3. Birds. 4. Insects. 5. Trees. And also astronomical. When I say astronomical, I mean things like the moon. We look at the shape of the moon, the size of the moon. Among the indicators that we observe, one is trees, and next to me is a tree by the name Acacia totiris. This one we use it to indicate when the rains are near, we have the tree flowering. And most of the time it flowers before the onset of the rains. Like now it had flowered before the onset of these rains. So basically we have several trees that we look at, and this is one of them which we have identified, and we believe that whenever it flowers, the rains are very near, 1 to 2 weeks to the onset. The benefits that the Bere community has benefited from this project is that they get the information of the rains before the onset of the rains, and this helps them to prepare their land early enough so that they increase their produce. The other benefit is that there is information to all people in the community, because initially the meteorological department, the language that is used, the scientific language, most of the locals cannot understand it. So during our forecast, we use the local language which is understood by each and every farmer, and this one is the best benefit that I can mention. As far as the challenges are concerned, one of the challenges is that most of the community members, because of the economic incomes, they are cutting the trees that we use to indicate the rains. So most of the indicators have been tampered with. Some of the trees like Acacia mellifera and Totiris, these are the trees that produce very good charcoal. So the farmer is cutting these trees to make charcoal. To make the work easier for the ambassadors, we have provided them with tablets, and in the tablets we have installed the ODK app, which they use to send the indicators with. They take photographs and then send to us.
Urathi wa mbura na njira ya kindoire. Urathi wa mbura na njira cia kindoire.